Hey guys, today let's try to fix Messenger notifications not working. So all we need to go ahead and do is to firstly go in over our settings application, and I want you to go to the notification settings right there. I want you to scroll down now until you see the Messenger application and make sure that you have notifications turned on here. Now, if you have notifications disallowed, of course, it's not going to show you any of your notifications. So just make sure that you have notifications allowed and all of your alerts allowed as well so that you won't have any issues with your notifications. Now, one more thing is to access the Messenger notification settings right here, and that's going to redirect you to your Messenger application to its notification settings on the app. So as you would see over here, when you tap on the settings on the top, you will see this option over on notifications and sounds, and I want you to go ahead and tap on that and make sure as well that you have, let's say, previews turned on. This is basically going to show you message previews and alerts and banners when you are not using the app. Also, some text tones, and of course, put do not disturb off so that you won't face any issues with your Messenger application's notifications. And that is all for this video, guys. Essentially, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.